Hey there! Welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best gaming mini PC you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Boss Game P4. Let's get started. Product feature. Powered by the Ryzen 7 5700U with 8 cores and 16 threads, it reaches 4.3 GHz for smooth performance in everything you do. The Radeon GPU handles casual games like League of Legends and creative apps like Photoshop or Premiere with ease. With 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, you can multitask between heavy apps and gaming without any frustrating slowdowns. It includes a fast 1 TB SSD and dual NVMe slots, giving you plenty of space for large design files and your game library. Enjoy a stunning setup with triple 4K display support at 60 Hz using HDMI, DisplayPort, and a versatile USB Type-C port. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6E and dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports, all while enjoying support for Windows 11 Pro, Linux, and even Plex media servers. The Type-C port supports 100-watt power delivery, making it incredibly easy to power your setup with modern, portable solutions. Pros. This mini PC is a breath of fresh air for anyone needing power without the bulk. The 32 GB of RAM is a total game changer for multitasking, letting you keep dozens of tabs and apps open. We love how it supports 3 4K monitors, creating an immersive workspace that helps you stay organized and productive while feeling completely connected to your creative projects. Cons. While it's fantastic for casual titles and emulation, it might struggle with the most demanding AAA games at ultra settings. Also, the fan can become noticeable during heavy workloads, which is something to keep in mind if you prefer a completely silent environment for your late-night work sessions. Final thoughts. Imagine a device that fits in the palm of your hand but has the heart of a giant. The Boss Game P4 feels like a reliable partner for your creative journey, giving you the freedom to design, play, and explore without limits. It's built for people who value both space and power. Investing in this means choosing a smoother, more enjoyable digital life that truly supports your passions. Your desk setup is about to get a whole lot better. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video. We can't wait to see how this transforms your workflow. See you soon.